Whether it's covered in a blanket of moody clouds or showing off against a crisp cloudless blue sky, Table Mountain is often spectacular. Cape Town locals are pretty fond of the mountain that looms over their city, and with a good enough reason. Table Mountain, which is home to the richest yet smallest floral kingdom on Earth, was voted one amongst the new 7 wonders of the planet in 2011. You just can't miss Table Mountain. Its notable flat-topped silhouette is the first thing you'll see once flying into a city, and since this iconic landmark sits at the center of the city, it's simple to access as well. Flanked by Devil's Peak and Lion's Head, Table Mountain makes up the northern end of the Cape Fold mountain range. It's hard to imagine, however, the mountain's distinctive flat top, a 3-kilometer level plateau, was once the bottom of a valley. Legend has it that the tablecloth of clouds that pours over the mountain when the wind blows is the result of a smoking contest between the devil and the retired sea captain known as John Van Hoeks. You can climb one of the many hiking trails up yourself or take a cable car to the highest point of the mountain. First off, please know that the hikes to the top of Table Mountain are difficult even under the best condition. You should not take this hiking adventure lightly, pack enough water and make sure you know wherever you're going. The most direct hiking trail up Table Mountain is Platy Cliff Gorge. This well-maintained and popular route up the city side of the mountain might easily be compared to a giant stairmaster. It's a strenuous and sometimes sun-baked climb straight to the top, so allow frequent stops to catch your breath and admire the views of the Cape Town and glittering Atlantic Ocean. The easiest option for getting up the mountain is the cableway, that has attracted over 24 million guests since it first opened in 1929. Significantly revamped in 1997, the cable cars currently carry up to 65 passengers per trip. The journey up the mountain takes almost 5 minutes and the cars rotate through 360 degrees throughout the trip, providing you with the spectacular views of the mountain below. We would highly recommend you to book your ticket online to avoid the queues, which might get very long throughout peak summer months. If you are taking the cableway up the mountain but still wish to try and do a little walking, there are 3 simple walks on the plateau: the Daisy Walk, the Agama Walk, and the Klipspringer Walk. There also are 3 guided walks that depart 1 per hour from the 12 Apostles Terrace. There are about 2,200 species of plants found on Table Mountain and 1,470 floral species. Many of these plants and flowers are endemic to this mountain. The magnificent Kirstenbosch Botanical Gardens are found on the eastern foot of the mountain. Founded in 1913, the garden that spans a region of 1,400 acres includes a unique conservatory with plants from different parts of the world. Besides the parks, the entire area contains a biodiversity that's rare to find in other places on Earth. Its many valleys and streams build it an ideal getaway from Cape Town. The national park's most unique feature is its fynbos vegetation that is displayed here better than anywhere in the world. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We're posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it.